Every day, I think, when we pass through our day, our busy days, and quick things come up, quick items that we have to deal with right away, and we tend to kind of get past our day, and we don't take the time to reflect a little bit on the good things that are happening. And sometimes we're trying to focus on big goals and big achievements and stuff. We have to remember that each moment could be a moment that could be changed for a student's life, and it's really the small impacts and the small success that students have sometimes that they've never had that makes such a difference in their lives that we have to remember how much impact our schools have for our students. And in a short period of time, and with students that are here with us, sometimes between 9 months, sometimes a year and a half. It seems like a short period of time for us, but that year and a half might be life changing for a student's career, their future. They might not complete a program with us. Even a success of a module or a competency could be something that later on could be carried over to something else that we don't even hear about from the student later on. So knowing that and remembering that is what should bring our strengths to us, give us energies, and to hopefully know that everyone that's watching this is making a difference in some positive way in a student's life, even if we don't always hear that from everybody around us.